To determine the appropriate conduit size, you need to calculate the fill percentage using the National Electrical Code formula. Fill percentage equals total area of conductors divided by conduit interior area multiplied by 100. First, calculate the total area of conductors. Total area equals area of 2 8 American wire gauge wires plus area of 1 10 American wire gauge wire plus area of 1 12 American wire gauge wire. Using THHN insulation, the area of 8 American wire gauge wire equals 0.162 square inches. The area of 10 American wire gauge wire equals 0.102 square inches. The area of 12 American wire gauge wire equals 0.63 square inches. Total area equals 2 times 0.162 plus 0.102 plus 0.63, which equals 0.489 square inches. Second, determine the conduit interior area to meet the NEC maximum fill percentage of 40%. Conduit sizes for a 1-inch conduit. The interior area is 0.7854 square inches. For 1/4-inch conduit, the interior area is 1.227 square inches. Using a 1-inch conduit, the fill percentage equals 0.489 divided by 0.7854 multiplied by 100, which equals 6.23%. Using a 1/4-inch conduit, the fill percentage equals 0.489 divided by 1.227 multiplied by 100, which equals 3.99%. Both conduit sizes are acceptable, as the fill percentage is below the NEC limit of 40%. However, a 1/4-inch conduit is recommended for future expansion or adding additional circuits. The conduits must be rigid non-metallic type or electrical metallic tubing. The wires must be properly supported within the conduit. All connections and terminations must be made according to the NEC and local building codes.